Welcome to Decoded. Did you ever wondered where global variables in JavaScript are stored? Let's find out. In the browser, the global object is usually the window object. Any variable declared outside a function becomes a property of the window object. If you forget to use var, let, or const, a variable is added to the global object unintentionally. Why it's a problem? Adding variables to the global scope can lead to naming conflicts and bugs. The best practice is to avoid the global scope as much as possible by using let and const. In a browser, you can explicitly access the global object using window. So remember, always be cautious when creating global variables, as they can cause unexpected behavior. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more JavaScript facts.